Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So today I wanted to take you through my everyday makeup routine. This is like my everyday work routine, not my everyday kind of full glam routine. Yeah, just kind of symbolizing what I actually can do before work. And this is the most I can do on a typical day. Sometimes if I'm super ahead, I have a little bit of time for like some sparkly eyeshadow and like a transition color, but generally I just throw on some mascara, brows, and then I try to do like a really cute face. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss another video. Join the Z fam. Make sure to follow me on social media at zakaila.savage so you can keep up with me every day. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video again. I love you, and let's just jump in. So my brows are already pretty much done except for the clear brow gel, just because I already filmed a brow routine because I needed to update it. So yeah, I just did that, so definitely check that video. It'll be up once you see this one. But now I'm just gonna kind of take you through my current everyday like face routine. But if it's like the morning and I'm getting ready for the day type thing, I'll use the Hope in the Jar by Philosophy. But if it's like either I'm doing just filming a tutorial or doing a makeup look, or just going out like and it's like nighttime, I'll just go in with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And this is like a gel cream, so it's gonna be really good for helping your makeup stay on too. I already put the Neutrogena one on before I did my brows so it could soak in. So now I'm gonna go in with the Surprise Fenty Beauty primer, the soft matte primer. You guys know I use this pretty much every single day. This might be the first primer I actually run out of. I've never run out of a primer except for the steel one with like the three like helix swirling. I don't even remember what it's called. But that was like a test size too. It was like one this big, but I mean that was actually the first primer I ran out of. I need to get a big one because I do remember I really liked that one. Oh, I forgot. I also, before I went in with my moisturizer, I sprayed myself with these Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. You guys know I'm obsessed with their dewy skin mist. When I went to pick up a new one, I saw this and I was like, oh, I'll try this. It doesn't say anything about using it during makeup or after makeup, so I've only used it like before makeup or just to freshen up the skin or help moisturize. And now I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna go in with the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Foundation. Okay, so I just put it on there. I love it when I'm able to use a beauty blender. Whenever I have to use a brush, my skin just does not look the same. So if you guys keep up with my videos, you know this shade is a little bit light for me. Once I bronze it up, it looks perfectly fine. I totally get foundation all over my lips, but that's okay because it will wipe off later. I'm gonna actually spray my face with some dewy mist just because you can see I have a little bit of texture right there. I fell asleep last weekend with my makeup on. I know, so bad. But yeah, I was out of makeup wipes and I just fell asleep. So my skin obviously freaked out because it was a lot of makeup. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for now. I just needed it to be a little freshened up so that when I cover it up, it's not just gonna cling to the dry patches, because it's kind of like a mix of eczema and breakouts from me leaving the makeup on. So now I'm just gonna take this and put it over my eyes. And then, yeah, just to help cover up the veins. I used to do this with concealer, but I feel like it would be too cakey, so I stopped doing that. I kind of go back and forth, to be honest. I don't have a set way, it's just whatever I'm feeling. I just feel like my concealers are kind of too dry right now. I don't have like a new one. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go in with this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for Dark Circles. As you guys saw before, I definitely have dark circles. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in. Okay, so I just went in and covered those up a little bit. So if you guys watch my videos a lot, you see that I've been loving the Cover FX powder, but on a daily basis, I use the Fenty Beauty Blotting Powder, which I know is random because it's kind of for touch-ups, but I think it's just super easy, like on a daily basis. I don't like cake up on a lot of foundation typically. I just take this and I just pat it, just like if I were touching it up. As you can see, this is pretty dirty. I've had a lot of love to this. I guess you can't see because it's white, but it's dirty. I use it a ton to blot my entire face to kind of set it. Because yeah, on an everyday basis, like before work, I don't have time to be messing with loose setting powder. That is just too messy. Okay, so now that my makeup is set and I'm looking kind of powdery, kind of pasty still, as you can see, I'm not bronzed up. I'm gonna go in with my Pixie spray. This is gonna help my powder melt into my foundation and look super natural, and every time I do this, it looks just like skin. I'm gonna be going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This has been my go-to recently. I know I was really digging the Physician Formula, but I just feel like it's too light. I think I might have the lighter shade, I don't know. So yeah, even now, like with myself bronzed up on the bottom half, doesn't it look so much more natural? Like it did look super white. You could definitely tell like my chest and my face were different colors. Even now you can tell, but I just feel like when it's bronzed up, it just looks more normal. Okay, so now my favorite part is highlight. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. And again, just gonna do you see how beautiful my skin looks? Like, oh my god, I feel like I'm Amrezy right now. Normally, like every day for work, I don't have time for eyeshadow. I'll do my face before I worry about eyeshadow or anything, because I really just love a perfect complexion. Like, this is my jam. So yeah, I'm not gonna do any lashes, any eyeshadow, because that's not what I wear every day, you know? This is my like current everyday look. The last everyday look, I did put on lashes, so I figured I'd kind of switch it up. And since I don't wear lashes to work, like I'm just not going to now. I'm using the, wow, what is this? The L'Oreal Paris Waterproof Mascara. This is the Vol Carbon Black. This stuff is so black. It makes my lashes so long. I love it. My lips are so freaking chapped. Okay, so I don't really have a perfect nude, so I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in Dirty Peach. It was a little bit of a struggle to get that shade on just because my lips are super chapped, and obviously the Kylie liquid lipstick is pretty dry. I didn't really think that through, but I was just trying to find something kind of neutrally that wouldn't make me look dead. So I went with that, and I'm just gonna add this Morphe lip cream on top. This is in the shade Runaway, just to give it a less dry Sahara Desert look. So that turned into a mess. If you haven't used them in a while, like I would squirt some out because it kind of just went everywhere. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this everyday makeup tutorial. As you can see, it is pretty natural. Like I would say it's like my no makeup routine, except I can't make my brows look natural very well because they're just so almost non-existent. I kind of have to, anyways, yeah, my brows are definitely super bold, my lips are very peachy, but my skin, my complexion just looks so nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, make sure to subscribe below and click the notification bell so you don't miss another video, and I will see you guys on Sunday's video. Love you guys, bye.